I'm Yaz, your artsy BFF. Today I'm taking a simple Dollar Tree woodcraft tray and transforming it into a cute rustic home decor piece. This is such an easy and fun DIY, and the best part, you can totally customize it to match your style. Let's get started. First, grab your wood tray and paint it whatever color you like. I went with aqua because I'm obsessed with this color and it matches my living room decor perfectly. Once the paint dried, I sealed it with a layer of Mod Podge to protect the finish and prevent chipping. Now let's add some texture. I took a piece of burlap and cut it to size so it fit the inside of the tray. I only covered the inside walls, not the outside, so keep that in mind. Then I used hot glue to secure it in place. This instantly gives the tray a warm, rustic feel. To add even more detail, I took some twine and glued it along the top edge of the tray. Not only does this add a nice texture, but it also hides the edge of the burlap for a clean, finished look. I went with 2 rows of twine side by side to fully cover the edge. Now for the fun part, decorating. I used my Cricut to cut out a mountain-themed vinyl decal since I wanted this to match my living room's mountain theme. But if you don't have a Cricut, no worries. You can always use window clings or dollar store stickers. Just be sure to Mod Podge over them so they stay in place. The last step, which I totally forgot to film, was adding another row of twine along the bottom edge inside the tray. This helped blend where the burlap meets the tray while adding even more texture. If you want to get extra fancy and give your tray some height, you can glue on these little wood squares on the bottom of each corner. And that's it! Your Dollar Tree tray went from plain to personalized, and I love how it turned out. Let me know in the comments what theme you would choose for your tray. And for more fun DIY tutorials like this one, click this playlist here. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe and like this video to support this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting!